Nestled gracefully on elevated grounds of the Beaumont Common, this stately double-brick two-storey Georgian-style residence is a masterpiece of grandeur and sophistication. Welcome to number 24, The Common. Beaumont stands as one of Adelaide's most coveted and tightly held suburbs, a true blue ribbon locale known for its high-quality residences and peaceful wide streets. The neighbourhood is celebrated for its exceptional education options, including Linden Park and Burnside Primary, as well as Glenunga International High School. Private schools like Seymour College, St Peter's Girls and Pembroke further enhance the area's educational appeal. Convenience is key, with proximity to major shopping hubs like Burnside Village, Frueville and Marriotteville. Easy access to both the CBD and the scenic foothills ensures you'll have the best of both worlds. The lifestyle, impeccable craftsmanship and prestigious location all combine to create a truly remarkable opportunity. In the eastern suburbs, securing a quality residence like this, especially on the Common, is a rare gem. Don't let this unique opportunity pass you by. Thank you for your time today. I'm Angela Steniford from Owens Castley Real Estate.